I love you.
Yeah, hey, yeah, okay, yeah, hey, yeah, hey, all my niggas, we got them in hundreds. You respect that I'm money. You need to take out the back. Just stop without that. My niggas, we keep it red bean. And we shoot it for nothing. Ain't spraying no niggas. Killing these niggas for nothing. Yeah, kissing my drip, better ride on my way. Kissing my drip, ain't riding today. Hold up, young nigga drip. Young nigga drip. Go from head to toe, no, you can't catch my drip. No, you can't ride my way.
Hello, world. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy 5 to the 10, aka Fever, aka Pretty Big Forehead. Hey, today your boy is working on these back brakes. I took the car to the dealership to go and get an oil change, and they gave me a list of things that need to be done. So your boy is not a mechanic, but you're not gonna sit up here and tell me I need brakes and I'm gonna let somebody else do my brakes. Nah, I ain't gonna be able to do that. I'm not finna pay $200-300 get the brakes done when I can go spend $30-40 my goddamn self and do it myself, you know. Sorry. I'm trying to get that camera action for y'all. And truth be told, it don't look like it, but I'll tell you what, I don't have all my tools. My tools in the storage. But it is what it is, you know. I know that's a 14 millimeter, and I know I probably don't have it. It's 9/16 to do. Only thing is, oh man, I hate not having my tools. Oh, for the haters, y'all see the toolbox. Don't look at the toes though, just look at the toolbox. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If y'all don't know how to work on cars, that'll help y'all out. That was easy. Man, I ain't finna play with y'all. You don't have to have both. And my C-clamp, don't have one. We finna make some things happen though. Let's see how we get this done. See that? Watch this. The brake pads, I'm gonna take this out. What they talking about? They low. Yeah, they not. Dealerships make it seem so much more than what it is, but it's understandable.
Please hold for a very important message.
It's understandable. So, what I'm gonna do? Since I have no C-clamp, first I get a smaller screwdriver. Where the flatheads? It's like I don't even have no flathead screwdriver. Oh, are you serious? Everything is in the storage. Everything is in the storage. Everything is in the storage. I get the C-clamp. No, I'm missing the C-clamp. if y'all see what I'm doing, but if you don't have a C-clamp, you can put a flathead screwdriver in here and just go on, push that back up in there. I pushed it in there a little bit. Now I'm gonna put the brake pad up in there because I got wiggle room now. Bam. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm prying it, pushing it back up in there. Look at that. I think that's good enough. It's the only thing about living in an apartment, you got nosy people that want to sit in their cars and listen and watch. Stop looking at my toes, brother. Yeah. Let's compare. Oh man, my toes are terrible. Let's compare. So, if you compare, if y'all can see that, yeah, the back brakes are worn down, but like I say, it ain't metal to metal. They exaggerating. And that's on the top side.
Please hold for a very important message.
Pull that out. That fit right in. Quit playing. Like it slide right in, just like that. Like, do not drink and work on cars, man. Promise you. Well, you can drink and work on cars because Mexicans drink and build houses. And I guarantee your house, you ain't complaining about that. If you think I'm lying, go to a new neighborhood where they building houses and you'll see the, what is it, Miller Lite, Bud Light cans everywhere. That's a wrap. Oh, that was easy. Oh, y'all look at the tread on that tire. Tread on that tire is... Oh, I got a nail in it. What? I'm telling you. I took this tire to discount and they rotated and you didn't remove the nail and this tire's under warranty. I'm gonna sue them fools. I'm gonna sue them. Yes, sir. It come right out. I don't know if y'all can see that. Undo that one screw. Now, there you go. Pull that off. Let me see if I can suffer and succotash. Put that screwdriver in there. I don't know if y'all can see this. And I'm gonna go on and push that in there. See, made some room. Put it back down in there. Look at that. Look at that. You don't need no C-clamp. Come on, dude. Who taught you? Shout out to Frank. R.I.P. Frank. Taught me that when I was a kid. Been working on cars since I was a kid, man. Cause my dad from the country, from Louisiana. Country folks don't play that. They don't let you sleep. They don't let you get in that bed and sleep. Tripping.
Please hold for a very important message.
I need to put the screw back in. I don't know. I should have wore some gloves, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. So, y'all can see I'll tell y'all one thing, do not work on your vehicle drunk. Shout out to Resto Mod Cortez. I'm pretty sure that bad boy, that man is drinking a beer when he be working on his stuff. I need to drink a beer with that brother right there, man. Shout out to Cortez. Shoot. Shout out to Swaps. But this is just a, man, and I injured my wrist. I don't know how I did it. God dang. Let me check the tires. Look at the thread on the tires. And then make sure they don't have no nails in it. Before I put them back on. Alright, y'all. That's it, man. Whew. I'm out.
You telling me you love me, but I know you don't. I know you steady saying that you for me, but I know you not. Steady keep on saying that you gon' ride, but you ain't gon' ride. No, you ain't gon' ride like my guys ride. I know you ain't gon' slide when it's time to slide. And I know you ain't gon' slide and leave you traumatized. Yeah, you my love, I thought you need me.